Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic First Assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is First Assignment, and today I am going to discuss on this. Students, this is our 12th lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 12th lecture. Now students, please take your notebook and writing elements. I'm going to discuss about your first English assignment, and you can take or you can note the important part that is necessary for you. So let's start the class. Students, look. Our first English assignment is based on the father of the nation, and you will get it in a textbook unit 1. The title is Father of the Nation, and you have to answer about this from lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Lesson 1 is Bangabandhu's family in 1971. Lesson 2, the tale of homecoming. Lesson 3, Bangabandhu at the United Nations. Lesson 4, Bangabandhu's relationship with our other countries. So from lesson 1 to 4, you have to write, you have to give information about the father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So what is the assignment or assigned task? Prepare a fact file, in bracket, a short report of all the most important information on a person or subject on the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. And for this, you can use narratives, pictures, images, information, newspaper clips, etc. to support your assignment. So you have to make a fact file instead of like a short report of all the most important information related to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who is called the father of our nation, and to describe his works and life. You can use narrative style, you can use picture, you can use image, important information or newspaper clips. And your assignment will not more than 180 words, not less than 180 words or more than 200 words. So students, I'm repeating, look, you can narrate about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. You can draw picture and can attach in your assignment, or you can collect picture from your book, from internet and other sources. You can give information which is necessary for this Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and also you can collect newspaper clips and can attach in your assignment. If you do this, your assignment will get well, and you will get extra value while your teacher will check your copy. And instruction for your assignment, how you will write your assignment, or you will do your assignment. First, you have to write a suitable topic or title at the top, and then you have to give introduction, and in number 3 there must be a description, or you have to provide the body of this assignment. Number of or title of paragraphs may vary in writing the assignment. And at last, at the end, you have to use conclusion. So for criteria or for instruction, it will be topic or title, introduction, body or description, and at last conclusion. And assignment criteria are excellent. So this is for a teacher while checking your copy or assignment, teacher will keep in mind all this excellence. First, number 1, cohesion and coherence are properly maintained. Number 2, the assignment has at least 10 kinds of information. Number 3, vocabulary is varied, appropriate and sufficient. Very good. Number 1, there is occasional missing of cohesion and coherence. Number 2, the assignment has at least 8 kinds of information. So you know how you have to write to get excellent, very good, good, and I hope nobody wants to need improvement like this comment. And for very good, number 3, vocabulary is generally varied and sufficient with little inappropriate use. And for good, first point is cohesion and coherence are not properly maintained. As a result, the writing is to a large extent disorganized. And number 2, the assignment has at least 6 kinds of information. And number 3, use of vocabulary is limited. And for next improvement, teacher will think about number 1, cohesion and coherence not at all maintained. As a result, the writing is very disorganized. Number 2, the assignment has at least 4 kinds of information, and at last, use of vocabulary is extremely limited with many appropriate uses. So students, if you want to get excellent, you have to follow this. If you want to get very good, then this, for good these 3, and for next improvement these 3. And I hope you will all will get excellent and you will maintain all these rules. So now I am going to talk about how you will write your assignment. First, you know, you have to fill the cover page, and in cover page you have to write the subject name, the topic name. There you have to write the submission date, and also you have to take signature of your parents. So first thing is you have to fill the cover page properly, and most important, you have to write the assignment number. Most of the students used to forget writing assignment number, so you have to write your assignment number, subject name and topic properly. And in second page, you have to write the content or assigned task. So what will be the content or assigned task? Look in this. That means in third row, assignment or assigned task. You have to write this in page 2. And in third page, you have to give the information of your teacher. Assignment means you must be under any teacher's influence, and under his or her influence you have to complete your assignment. So here look, you will be under your English teacher. Here Kamrun Nahar Miss is from day shift, and here myself Fatema Sabrin Shikha, I am from morning shift, and I have provided teacher's name with phone number. So you have to provide teacher's information in page 3, and from page 4 you will start writing your assignment. So first, as I said, how you will write, first you have to write a suitable title or topic. Then you have to give an introduction. After this, you have to give description. You have to write. You can add here any image, any picture, any important information, or you can attach any newspaper clips in the term of description. And when all these are complete, you have to add a conclusion, and that means an ending part. So all these 4 will make your assignment fulfilled. And as I said, your assignment will not less than 180 or not more than 200. It can be a little bit less or a little bit more, but not so less, not so more. So I hope you will take care while writing your assignment. Students, I hope you can understand how you have to prepare your assignment. Further, if you feel any question, you can contact me. Here I have provided my phone number and messenger ID. You can knock me through this. And while it is the time of your live class, you can ask your teacher. We will be ready to answer your questions. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.